Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your language on your iPhone. Stay to the very end of the video so you don't miss any of the steps. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Settings. So press on this icon. If you can't find it, swipe down and just search Setting. And then press on this icon. Then scroll down until you see General. Scroll down to Language and Region. And then on the very top you see the different languages. So now it's set on English and Dutch. So if you want to have more or different languages, you can select Add Language. And if you want to find some, you can type in, for example, French. So I will tap on this one, and then it will say you want to use French as your primary language or just keep using English. For this video I'm going to choose French, so press French. Then the language is changed and you see at the bottom now all is turned to French. If you want to switch it back to English again, just press English and swipe it to the very top and then press Continue. Then the language is set back to English again. And this is how you change your language on iPhone.